Good afternoon. I'm Jeff O'Neill with Custom Wrought Iron Gates, here today to make a quick video, show you how to modify your lock latch so you can put in a padlock. Some of our customers here locally as well as online have asked for added security if there's a way to put a padlock through the lock latch as well. So right now I'm going to show you how we do that locally on the gates that we install. What we're going to be doing is installing a master lock. It's just a small residential type padlock. You're going to need a drill. We use a 5/16 bit and then a 1/4 inch bit. What we're going to do is drill a hole in the face of the lock here, just big enough for the lock. That's going to allow that to go through and lock. Again, it's just another course of security. So I'm going to get the video a little closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and we'll go from there. So what I'm going to do first is grab my drill. I'm going to start with the smaller of the two drill bits. Want to get a hole right here, about halfway into the thing. I'm going to take a... When you start, you want to mark it, and you're going to drill a small hole right in the middle of that latch. We're going to start with the smaller of the two bits. Get the video up there a little closer. Right there. So that's our starter hole. Next we're going to go with the 1/4 inch bit. Once you've drilled it, get rid of your shavings. And that's it. So now we have the key that comes with the lock and also a way to put a padlock. Let me get the video a little closer so you can see exactly what we have. If you look closely right there, you can see the lock just going through the hole we just drilled. Get that back out. That's it right there. And I'm going to include some still pictures of this as well so you can see what it looks like from all angles. That's it. Thank you very much.